Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make your pap. Okay, so this is corn. This is corn that I'm going to be using. So the first thing, can you see that they are very neat? The first thing I did was to first of all select it. That's how I do my own. I select all the dirt from inside, all the stones and everything out of it. And once you're done selecting it, you are going to go ahead now and wash this pap. So I'll fetch water in here. So this one is what I took out of it that I'm going to be using for a tutorial. So just stick to the channel and subscribe. Okay, so I did not pour this one. I'll set it aside. So now after fetching my water, you're going to see some of the corn or particles that are floating. These ones that are floating are not good. Okay, and if you did not select it, expect to see more dirty on top. It's because I even selected my own. That's why you're seeing this these ones. Okay, can you see these are corns that are not okay? So what you're going to do now is to first of all take out all of these ones that are floating on top, because of course they are not good and we don't need them. Okay, just take them out first. Okay, so once I'm done taking these ones out, okay, so I'm just going to go ahead now and wash these ones. Okay, so just wash them. Because I selected this, that is why we don't have too much of dirt. Okay, you see that when I did that, some other dirt are floating. Okay, so we're going to also take all of these ones out. Okay, so once we take all of this one out now, so now we're going to go ahead now and pack it out. Can you see, guys? So what I have here is 3 modules. This clean bucket. So you can also add millet if you like. Okay, you can add millet to it, but I'm just going to be using this corn. Okay, this is what I'm using, and this is like 3 modules. Okay, 3. And I've also taken out of it. Remember, I took out of it that I'm going to be using for something else, another tutorial. So just stick to the channel and see what I'm going to be using. Okay, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, for more amazing content. Okay. Okay guys, so this is another fresh water, so I'm going to repeat the process of washing. Okay, so this is the third water. What I'm going to do is that I'll just pour it in here. Okay, I'm not going to wash it again. That is because my corn is clean. I selected it. If you did not select your corn, you're going to keep washing until you have something like this that is clean. Okay, until you have it clean like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just to take out the little dirt that I have on top, and then I'm just going to leave it to ferment for 2 to 3 days, depending on how you want it to be. Okay, if you really want it to ferment very well, you leave it for 3 days. But if you don't want it to ferment too much, you just leave it. If you don't want your pap to be smelling too much when you are done, just leave it for 2 days. Okay, so guys, this is it on the 3rd day. Okay, there's no light now, so I'm just going to wash it out of the water now and then go and grind it. Okay, Mommy, so this is it. I'll wash it now. Okay guys, so this is it after I was done washing. Okay, I'll take it to where they are grinding, commercial grinder, so that it can help me grind the pap. This is the pap when I was done blending it. Okay, and that is my cheesecloth. Can you see? So I have a sewing tutorial where I taught how to make this cheesecloth. Okay, so this is it. Now this is the pap. Can you see? Can you see? This was the next thing. I couldn't see it that same day. Can you see? So can you see we have a lot here? So what we're going to do now, so that it's going to be fast for us, we're going to add more water in here. Okay, we're going to be adding more water so it comes out like so that it will be easy for us to quickly sieve it. Okay, so it will be easy like this. So I'll add little more. Okay, so once I add little more like this, so can you see the way it is now, the consistency? Okay. Okay, so after that, in a separate bowl, you're going to be having extra water here. Okay, extra water here, clean water, and then this one and this one. Okay, so now we're going to start by sieving. So what I'm going to do now is to hold my cheese up like this. You're going to open it up like this, and then make sure you use your cup to mix it like this. Okay, and then I'm going to pour it here. Guys, you can see the consistency that is not too thick. Okay, if you have it this way, it will be easy for you to just, you know, sieve. But if it's thick, it's going to really stress you. Okay, so I'm just going to take like 4 cups inside, depending on what and what you're using. Okay, so now like this. Okay, so you're going to hold this like this. Okay, and then I'm just going to rinse my hand here. So and I'm going to start. So guys, I need to do what I'm doing. So I'm going to sieve it like this. I'm going to be using my hand like this. Okay. Okay. So. Okay. So I'll continue like that. Okay. So once you're done like this, see what you're going to be having. Okay. So at this point, this is not clean yet, guys. Hope you can see. This is not clean yet. So that is the excess of this extra. This is the excess of this extra water. So now we're going to put it here and then start to do it like this inside the extra water. So this is going to help to remove any part that is left. Okay. So you'll be left with the shaft. Okay. So can you see that the color of my water has changed? Can you see? So just keep doing this. So guys, at this point, this is what you're going to have. Can you see that is what is here now is different from what we have before? Can you see? Okay, so we can set this one aside and then we can still sieve this one again. Okay, so you can sieve this one again for the second time, but I'll set this one aside now. So I'll continue with this one here like the way I've done. So I'll come back to show you guys the next step. Okay guys, so this is it. I've done. So now I put fresh water here so I can do it for the third time. Okay, so this is what I have. Can you see? So I'm just going to do it again here just to make sure that I do not have any pap left. So can you see the water? Okay. Can you see? Okay guys, so this is it. I've poured everything here. So we're going to leave it to settle down for 12 hours, 8 to 12 hours, and allow it to settle. Okay guys, can you see the pap? So we've taken out of it, we've taken out of it like 3 times out of it. So what you can do to preserve it, you can put it inside your freezer or your fridge, or you can be changing the water every day. So you pour water and make sure that the water covers it, and then we change the water every day. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.